Spring corporate relocations in Miami. Smooth transition with best Miami movers. Spring is a great time to move a business in Miami. The weather is warm but not too hot, and there's less chance of major storms getting in the way. A simple guide to a smooth business move. If you're planning an office relocation, here's how to make it as smooth as possible. Start planning early, at least 2 to 3 months in advance, to give yourself time to organize the move properly. Label everything clearly so unpacking is quick and straightforward. Finally, do a final walkthrough of both locations to make sure nothing gets left behind. The biggest challenges of a corporate move in Miami. Moving a business is far more complex than simply packing everything and loading items onto a truck. In order for a business move to be successful, it is necessary to take a variety of additional precautions, particularly reducing the operational downtime of the business. How we make corporate relocations easier. At Best Miami Movers, we take care of everything so you don't have to stress about the details. We start with a personalized moving plan that fits your company's needs and schedule. As soon as all is set, our moving trucks will safely transport your office to its new site, no matter if it's only a few blocks or on the other side of town. No matter if you're moving to a larger space, reducing your size, or simply relocating, we're here to simplify your move and eliminate any hassle. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.